welcome back to Chasing Limits, and this is my little mini Giulia Quadrifoglio. Now, I haven't posted in a few months due to good reason. As you can see, we have moved into new garage space, and I haven't even had a chance to install or reinstall the garage flooring, so it's pretty much a clean state. So yeah, today we're gonna uncover the Giulia. It's still under the battery maintainer right here, as you guys can see. So yeah, we're gonna remove the cover, disconnect it, and do the first startup of the season. So stay tuned for that. Alright, well, here you have it. Uncovered, looking as good as ever. Left shiny from the previous season. So yeah, as before in my previous videos, we're gonna have to air down. I put the tire PSI to around 46, 47. So yeah, we're gonna air it back down to around 35, 36. It is a chilly day outside. It's around minus 12 degrees Celsius with the wind. So yeah, it's not the most ideal conditions, but we're itching to get it out. So yeah, I'm gonna disconnect it and do the startup. Alright guys, so we disconnected the battery maintainer, battery tender as you may call it. So ready to fire it up. Got the key here. Now keep in mind, this battery is still original. This is a 2017, late model 2016. So let's see if she fires up. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Who wouldn't want to miss that sound? Glorious sound of the 505 horsepower being awake. So yeah, clearly the remote start still works even after all this time. So we're gonna let it warm up to normal operating temperature. Take it for a quick spin around the block. Make sure there's no codes or anything like that. And she's ready to roll for the season. Alright guys, she's starting to warm up a bit more. We're gonna open the garage. Kind of getting high on these fumes. So yeah, let's get in. Buckle up. Push this. Let's see if all the lights go away. Yep, everything seems good. We got 2 ticks on the heat, so we should be pretty good. E-brake down, drive. And there we go. So yeah, there's still some snow on the ground. So we're gonna take it easy because these tires are gonna be like hockey pucks. So yeah, she's running pretty good. As you guys can see, the tire pressures have dropped down a little bit by 3-4 psi since I last set them in the fall. But other than that, I wanted to show you guys that after all this time with this battery, there's no electrical issues. Everything works. Remote start works. Everything is perfect. It's a great, reliable car, I must say. Alright, we're gonna close it here. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. We'll see you guys later.